this is WebDev Somos. And today we'll be solving heap question, last stone weight. I'll be solving this question using JavaScript and Java. I'll be solving it in two languages. But let's reset this one, and once we reset that, yeah, let's do this. Okay, you're given an array of integer stones where, okay, let me zoom it a bit. Okay, stone of I is the weight of the ith stone. We are playing a game with the stones. On each turn we choose the heaviest two stones and smash them together. Suppose the heaviest two stones have weight x and y. X is less than equal to y. The result of the smash is, suppose the heaviest two stone have weight x and y with x will be less than equal to y. The result of the smash is, if x equal to y, both stones are destroyed. If x is not equal to y, the stone of weight x is destroyed and the weight of y has new weight y minus x. At the end of the game, there is at most one stone left. Return the weight of the last remaining stone. If there are no stones left, return 0. So what we'll do is, we'll do it in Java. I think this is a lesser code, and yeah, in JavaScript you have to write all the bubble up, bubble down, and all that stuff. So we'll ignore that and just focus on pure logic of the heaps. Okay, so at the end there is at most one stone left. Return the weight of the last remaining stone. If there are no stones left, return 0. Okay, so we have 2, 7, 4, 1, 8, 1. Okay, so these are the stones, and lastly 1 will be remaining. We combine 7 and 8 to get 1. 7 and 8 to get 1, so the array converts to 2, 4, 1, 1, 1. Okay, let me see what is the, on each turn we choose the heaviest two stones and smash them together. Suppose the heaviest stone have weight x and y with y is less than equal to x is less than equal to y. So okay, max heap. Now once I hear heaviest two stones, then we have been given an array which is not even sorted, and so what we can do is put this guy into a max heap, and as soon as we give this guy into a max heap, so we'll have 8 2 okay 8 7 4 2 1 1. Okay, so we'll obviously have x is less than equal to y, so we have to take out two elements, right? We have to take out two elements and then smash them together. So two elements would be, 7 will be x as it is less than equal to y, and y will be 8. So as they are not equal to each other, the second condition will be applied. X and y are not equal, and then we have to subtract y minus x, so we'll get 1, and we add that back to the heap. So as soon as we do that, yeah, we combine next two largest element, which is obviously 2 and 4. Here again we have to subtract, and we get 2, we add them back, then 2 and 1. So at most one element should be remaining, right? So okay, so yeah, until length is 1 we have to do it, and length constraint, as I can see that constraint will be always 1 1 to 30. The length would be it won't be 0 at any point of time, so we are good here. I'm a little bit weak in what do you call it, in Java. I don't know exactly what the syntax is, so I'm just trying to learn Java by lead coding, so I'll try my best. Let's see. So previously I solved this. I guess by default priority queue gives us min heap. So yeah, so basically we'll need priority queue, which is integer, right? Integer, or is it just integer heap? Okay, so yeah, I specified the type, and then this is the last tone weight, or don't need to specify it here, we can specify it here, heap, and or we don't even need to use this private, equals to new priority queue, integer, and there is this quotes. Okay, and this is giving us squiggly lines because we need to return an answer, which will be if we return heap, then will that satisfy it? No. Okay, so I guess, how do you copy stuff into an array? So let's say if so I'll just get rid of the squiggly. Oh, you cannot return it like this. Return, how do you do that in Java? Okay, array list, integer result is equal to new array list integer, and then res. If I do that, will that? Nope. Just an array. Okay, I'm not sure if how it should be coded in here, but okay, I just want to show the logic of it. I'm not gonna get into details of it, so let's do it here. Let, in JavaScript, let max heap, I'll call it max heap, and max heap. Okay, so let's call it, we got a heap, and then in the max heap what we have to do is okay, so we have to do it until this time, until there is just one element left. If stones dot length equal to 1, actually we can return stones right away. We don't stones of 0. Okay, we don't even have to do anything here, but yeah, so max heap, and what do we want to do is while max heap dot size, let's say if we have a size, and which is greater than 1, until and unless it is greater than 1, we have to do this, do this mashing thing. So let stone 1 equals to, will take out the min, extract max, or poll. We call it poll, right? Poll it, and we have to do it twice. So we do it twice here, and if stone 1 equal to stone 2, then we continue, right? We don't add anything back to it, but here continue, we don't do anything. But now we have to check if stone, which one of them is greater, which one is greater. So I guess simple if else condition would suffice here, or am I just coding it out? Let me take a step back and think about it. Stone 1, stone 2, which would be x and y. So let's have, let x is equal to null, oops, sorry, null, and y is equal to null. Okay, if stone 1 is greater than stone 2, then y is equal to stone 1 and x is equal to stone 2. Else x is equal to stone 1, y is equal to stone 2. Okay, yeah, so this would happen, and then what we have to do is we have to basically, or we don't have to specify x and y, right? Why are we doing that? We can just subtract it and add it, right? Heap dot add stone 1 minus stone 2, else same thing but reverse order, stone 2 minus stone 1. That's all. We don't even have to do this x and y. Sorry if I got into this question thing to have an x and y, but we can do it like this. And once we have got this, we have added it back. This has to continue until the heap size is 1. Heap size is greater than 1. As soon as it is 1, it will stop, and we have to return max heap dot poll. Yeah, if we poll, then okay, so I guess there is a comparator kind of a thing that I can use, b minus a. If I can get hold of the last submission that I did for JavaScript. Yeah, then we can get, sorry about that. Okay, yeah. Okay, I've got the code for priority queue. I should call it priority queue instead of max min max heap. Bubble down. Okay, everything's good, everything's good. Insert, I've calling it insert and extract min. Let's call it poll. into it. Okay, so once I do that, and let's call this priority queue. Okay, once you have that, let's bring it here, and I'm not sure if this will work, but let's try it out. Okay, priority queue has already been declared. Is there already new? Okay, okay, let's see. If that is the case, then my half of the job is done. I'll just comment this out. Okay, let's see max heap dot. But is there a new pri? Is there a priority queue for JavaScript? I'm not sure. Priority queue. I'm just trying to find out queue for JavaScript. Internally, an array okay, I guess there is no priority queue for, but why this guy had one. Okay, let's call it max heap. You also be max heap. Okay, let's try and run this. Okay, there was a wrong answer. Oh, okay. But did I add all the stones? No, I did not add stones. Sorry. For let stone of stones max heap dot add stone. Okay, once we have added all the stones, then we can try that out, right? Oh, some bad errors. Max heap, max heap. Okay, yeah, that solved our problem. So once you have the max heap, then our logic works. So that's all good. But I need to check out how it's been done in Java. I'm not familiar with the syntax, but let's see how it's done. I hope you guys don't mind me looking at the solution, but yeah, this is a learning curve for me. I'm trying to learn. Okay, loading the playground implementation. I just want to see the code, that's all. So first solution was array based simulation. I don't want that. Sort based solution. I don't want that. Priority queue, heap based solution simulation. Yeah, I wanted this one. So comparator, reverse order. Oh, what is comparator? Insert all the stones into max heap. So that's how you do it. See, how would I know I have to do it like this? Priority queue integer heap new priority queue. So yeah, till this point we have done good. Our logic was this. Yeah, if stone 1 is not equal to stone 2, oh yeah, I don't even have to do this. If heap is empty 0, if heap dot remove. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, let's do it. Java. Okay, so I'll just scroll up and won't see the code, so that this will come naturally to me. Comparator dot reverse order. Okay, yeah, I have this. I'll just shrink this size of it so that we have more realistic of the code, and then we don't even need this. So for int stone of stones, heap dot add stone. Yeah, and then once I've added all the stones, while heap dot size is greater than 1, what I'll do is int stone 1 equal to heap dot poll. Is there a poll? Oh, sorry, there, heap dot 1 in stone 1 dot poll is there. I'll copy this line again for stone 2. If stone 1 is not equal to stone 2, obviously stone 2 would be less because first one would be the max, then heap dot add stone 1 minus stone 2, and I added one extra equal to, but yeah, once that is done, we'll return heap dot is empty, then return 0, or else heap dot poll. Okay, cool. So if I run this, I guess this should work for Java. Okay, and let's go to editorial and see what's the time complexity for this. In log n, converting an array into heap takes O of n time. It isn't actually sorting, it's putting them into an order that allows us to get maximum each in log n time. Like before, the mean loop iterates up to n minus 1 times. This means, however, it's doing up to 3 O log n operation each time, two removes and one optional add. Like always, the 3 is an ignored constant. This means that we are doing n into O log n operation. Space is O of n or O log n. O of n to create the priority queue space. Okay, cool. N log n. It moves it twice, right? Like, okay. Twice the size. Okay. Cool. Okay, we've done this one. Let's see how many times it's been asked. In is it favorite question for many companies? Which is Rippling? Is Rippling a new company or what? Rippling. I haven't heard of it. Rippling. Software company. Okay. Workforce management, HR, IT, finance. Okay. I'll see. I'll see. I'll apply to this company if I found a good position. But other than that, today's we did one problem both in Java and JavaScript, and that was a good session. Um, we'll continue doing such sessions every day. Um, I, I last time I promised, but didn't actually happen to continue this. But yeah, I'll slowly build up my confidence and start stacking up questions. And yep, let's do this. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. If anyone joined, but see you later. Bye bye.